that sleep won't come and you've cried your sum, let it come to you. There's nothing you can do until I see you smile just below those eyes that tell me you're okay. It's written on your face. As you come to light, I come alive. Your silhouette in the summer sky. But this is only a measure. It can only get better. It can only get better. And this is only a measure. It can only get better. It can only get better. Turn your sorrow in, burn every piece of it that can comfort you. I'll be your go-to, 'cause these are youthful days. We will grow in great, we're so better. Our time is best together. You must know that I love you so. Never bargain you for your weight in gold. And this is only a measure. It can only get better. It can only get better. And this is only a measure. It can only get better. It can only get better. If you're seeing through a single eye, you're missing half of what this world looks like. In a sea that only feels half tide, there is more, and I know that it's yours and mine. But this is only a measure. It can only get better. It can only get better. And this is only a measure. It can only get better. It can only get better. This is only a measure. It can only get better. It can only get better. And this is only a measure. It can only get better. It can only get better.
이름이 뭐예요? 누에말 고사리? 사장님이 로메인 얼마예요?
I'm gonna love you when we're old and gray, when our eyes don't see very far away. I'm gonna love you when there's dishes to be done. Oh, I'll scrub, scrub, scrub just to hear you say,
I'm gonna love you with the words on my mouth, with the works on my hands. But don't you ever doubt I'm gonna love you with soft little kisses. You'll be my mister and I'll be your missus.
She was born an August summer day, just a child confused by faith. Growing up, she always felt the guilt. If God is love, why do I fear? Why do I fear? I fear. Does your mind go back in search of some redemption? Or can you dispossess your past? Does that voice inside ask you why you suffer? Let it go. Let it go. Darkness fell, she almost lost it all. She faced her hell, she chose to live. She realized the answer to it all. The path of life is paved by love.